Welcome to this YouTube SEO course, and this video is the sixth lecture of this course. And in this video I'm going to talk about monetization. So let's get started. So you just learned about YouTube SEO, how to get your video noticed, how to rank your videos on top. All these things are useful, but you know that you did all that because you want to earn something, you want to get something from YouTube. So that's the truth, and I'm going to talk about monetization here in this video. So you have done all the things, you have ranked your videos, you're getting views, but ultimately what you want is revenue from YouTube. So I want to give you some tips about monetization. So here you can see the thing is I've already talked about longer videos. So here's one thing. This video is 11 minutes long, 11 minutes 35 seconds. So YouTube has a feature, video longer than 10 minutes can have ads in between the video. So let me show you. First of all, you want to make sure you click all these checkboxes here: overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads. So all these types of ads appear on your video. Going down here, you can see here location of video ads: before video, during video, and after video. So if your video is shorter than 10 minutes, this option doesn't work. Okay, so if you have a video longer than 10 minutes, you'll have this option: during video and after video, long video, all of these options. So you have that control over your location of your ads. You can place it manually. When you place it manually, you can place the exact location where you want your ad to appear in between your video. By default, it appears maybe in the middle of the video, exactly in the middle maybe, but you don't want to you don't want that. You might have like kind of different lectures in one video, different sessions in one video, so you might want to put ads on those different sessions or different sections. So you can do that if your video is longer than 10 minutes. So that's going to be a good thing if you want to monetize your video. That's how you benefit from this monetization feature. Another thing I wanted to show you is, you can see here, this video has 780 views, but it has already made $5. So not all videos can earn you this much money, because 780 is less than 1,000 views and it's already $5. So you want to look for the niche which can pay you high CPM rate. You can see here for this particular video the CPM rate is $19. So it means that for 1,000 views you can get up to $19, but it's not exactly what you get, because you can see here estimated monetized playbacks is just 468, not 700. So it may differ, but still the rate is high, and you're getting this $5.11 just for 780 views. So you want to focus on a subject or a niche or a field or a topic which is going to give you high CPM. For that, you'll have to do research. You'll have to upload video and check the CPM. And if you're able to find out that one of your video is getting good rate of CPM, then you can make videos on the same topic again and again and get good revenue. So that's how you can benefit from the YouTube monetization feature. So yeah, I think that's all for this video, and I think that's all for this course. This is a short course it's not a long course, so I think you got some knowledge about YouTube SEO, how you can rank your videos, how you can optimize your channel, so and ultimately how you know how you can monetize your channel better. So that's what you want to learn. And if you're starting a YouTube channel, if you're a small YouTuber, I think this course is going to be helpful for you. So thanks for sticking to this course, and thanks a lot. Bye bye.